I'm back. So I have been super inactive in creating content since the past 2 weeks because I went through a surgery and it was the most horrible surgery ever. I was not eating, I was not drinking, I was not sleeping, I wasn't talking because it was obviously a dental surgery. It was really painful and it was like, I hope nobody has to go through what I went through. I am still in pain, but the doctors asked me to get back to normal life and start talking. So maybe you can see this side of my face is still kind of swollen. It's day 8 and I'm finally eating now and also talking. So while I was in this surgery, watching a lot of stuff, and I'm here to review everything I watched through the week. So the first thing that I watched is actually a very interesting film. If you guys know, I've been stalking Roshan Matthews since a while and I am only watching his content since a while because I am so obsessed with him. I watched the movie Paradise, which was in theaters for the longest time, but I could not watch it. I watched it on Amazon Prime. I'm sorry, I'm still a bit sick. So Paradise is about a young couple, Roshan Matthew, Darshana. I love both these actors, of course. And they go to Sri Lanka on a vacation. And they're like pretty much in love and probably they're newly married. It's not their honeymoon, but they're newly married because, you know, like they are extremely comfortable around each other, but like so much in love and everything. And Sri Lanka is going through these riots, and these riots are obviously riots against the government because they don't have petrol, they don't really have food to eat, and the locals are really irritated and they're like writing against the government, but they're also like really good to tourists because tourists are actually giving them money, right, to run the country. So Darshana and Matthew are tourists and they go to Sri Lanka on a vacation, and over there Roshan Matthew gets a phone call that the project he's really been trying to work on has gone through. So he's very happy and very excited, and Darshana is also very happy for him and they're kind of celebrating. But the couple comes through a twist of events which kind of, I don't know how to say because I don't want to give spoilers, but changes their life for the bad forever. It has a lot of twists and turns. It's like a 1.5 hour movie, a proper film festival kind of a vibe where the story is very intense and has a lot to read between the lines. There's a lot of character development. There are a lot of metaphors in the film that you have to understand while the story is being narrated by the director. It's well directed. It's a proper film that I would like to watch at like Mami or, you know, a festival and be like, oh my god, what a movie, because that film is honestly a feeling. It is not your action, thriller, romantic Malayalam film. It's a proper international level drama movie, which is very well directed and narrated by it. And both actors have obviously done a good job. I don't even have to like talk about their acting. I love how every character had importance in terms of what kind of a person they are and how they can act in pressure, greed, or like love, hatred, and you know, every character has a lot to do. Even if they're not speaking characters, they have a lot to do in the film. I think that the movie is very interesting. I really liked it, and it is not that film where I'm like, oh shit, I wish I watched it in the theaters, because honestly, watching this movie in one go in silence is what you need, instead of like, you know, because like the cinematography and all of that is not out of the world that you want a theater experience. The film is like very personal. I've seen a lot of festival films. This is something I really enjoyed watching. The movie is directed by Prasanna Vinthaj. It's presented by Mani Ratnam. I think that the movie is really good. I highly recommend it. It's available on Amazon Prime and you should definitely watch it.